But today is very exciting topic, and in particular, we have some big changes in the CPR, right, Matt?
Yes, we do. The CPR has recently been amended by a new rule that has come into force really recently. In fact, it came into force on the 1st of October, and it creates a new track, an intermediate track, which is quite the revolution for the CPR, because that's not something that we were used to.
Do you think it's a positive change, or how would you assess it? Of course, it's a very novelty. I understand we need some time to see how it works, but from general idea.
Yeah, I think that's great. And one of the main benefits really is the fact that it's going to make costs much more predictable, because we'll know in advance how much the costs will amount to.
So basically, it's introduction of the fixed costs as well, and extension then to fast track, and also this new track which was just introduced. Great. So we have something exciting to discuss today, which is a part of our updates, and obviously we will amend all the pre-recorded lectures to reflect it and notes. Also today, I want to cover briefly one question related to the code of conduct, something linked to referrals, because we've received one question related to referrals and how it's regulated. So we will cover this topic as well, including a multiple choice question related to that, and a few more multiple choice questions. Some of them are multiple choice questions provided by the SRA, and some of them are our own, and those are tough, to prepare you to the worst possible scenarios. Great.